Welcome to this tutorial on learning how to insert a checkbox into your PowerPoint presentation. In this guide, you will learn each step involved in adding a functional and stylish checkbox to enhance your slides. Let's begin at the very start by launching PowerPoint on your computer. Once you have opened the software, take a moment to ensure that you have the correct presentation file ready to be modified. After PowerPoint has loaded, navigate to the presentation that you wish to modify. Open the file so that you can see all of your existing slides and content clearly. This is an important step because you want to make sure that you are working within the correct document before making any design changes. With your presentation now visible on your screen, move your attention to the toolbar at the top of the screen. Locate the tab labeled Insert, as this is where many additional features and content options reside in PowerPoint. Clicking on the Insert tab will reveal a variety of tools and resources that you can use to enhance your presentation. Within the Insert tab, you will find several options for adding graphics and icons to your slides. Look for the icon labeled Icons and click on it. This will open a new window that contains a large collection of graphical symbols that you can incorporate into your presentation. Icons provide a creative way to visually represent concepts, and today we are focusing on the checkbox. Once the icons window has opened, you will need to use the search function to locate a checkbox that fits your needs. Begin by clicking in the search bar and typing the word checkbox. As you type, the selection of icons will filter to display options that are relevant to your query. Your goal is to choose one that seamlessly fits with the overall design of your slides. After the checkbox icon that best suits your design aesthetics appears, go ahead and select it from the list of available icons. Once you have made your selection, click on the Insert button within the icons window to add the selected checkbox to your current slide. This action will place the checkbox onto your slide, allowing you to move it around and adjust its size as necessary. If you need additional checkboxes, there is no need to repeat the entire process from scratch. Simply copy the newly inserted checkbox by selecting it and using your computer's copy command. Then paste it into the desired location as many times as needed. This quick technique is very useful if you are designing forms, checklists, or any other slide elements that require multiple checkboxes. This concludes the core steps of our tutorial on inserting a checkbox into a PowerPoint presentation. Each action has been carefully designed to provide you with a user-friendly experience when working on your slides. Enjoy customizing your presentation with this versatile element, and feel free to replicate it across different parts of your project as required.